Welcome to Gotchscape Entertainment. Did you know you can invite friends and earn rewards on Gotchscape? In this video, I will show you how to earn while sharing Gotchscape with your friends and make money when they submit their first track for distribution. Log into your Gotchscape account on www.distro.gotchscape.com. Go to Dashboard and then click My Wallet on the sidebar menu. You will see your personal referral link just below your profile pic. That's your key to earning rewards. Here's how the reward program works. When someone signs up through your link and submits a track, you earn a reward automatically. You can track your referrals easily on your account. Use the referral history section on your wallet page to see who signed up and how much you've earned. You can also download the full report of your earnings. You can withdraw your money once your total earnings, including royalties and referral rewards, hit the $50 threshold. To earn more, share your link on social media, in your bio, in your YouTube video descriptions, on Facebook groups, or message it directly to your music friends. There are many reasons on why you should invite someone to Gotchscape. But always remember, we help independent artists grow. By inviting your friends, you're not just earning money, you're giving them a powerful music platform. Don't wait. Log into your account, copy your link, and start inviting friends now. The more you share, the more you earn. Connect with us on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and all music streaming platforms at Gotchscape Entertainment. For any inquiries, you can always reach out to us, and let us keep the music playing. Call us on 0104 624 190. Send us an email on info@gotchscape.com. Or visit our website at www.gotchscape.com.
Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated.